In this video as a sign of warning to some of you. I mean, the kind of mistakes, avoidable mistakes, silly mistakes I'm seeing some of you make, despite everything I've been telling you, despite all the guidance videos I've been guiding you people on this coming JAMB, how to register, how to prepare. Some of you are still making some silly mistakes. So in this video, let me sound certain warnings, because some of you are falling into traps. Some of you are falling into traps. So listen to this warning and pay attention. I don't want you to come to me on WhatsApp again and say, somebody promised you should not read, that he has a connection in JAMB in Abuja or in Lagos, and he's going to leak the JAMB question for you. I am warning you now, that will not work. That will not work. I don't know why we are making some mistakes. Somebody is telling me, I registered, got my profile code with my father's phone number. This is something I've been saying. I've been saying that you must do your JAMB registration with your own personal phone number. I mean, how much does it cost, Kwan? How much does it cost to buy a SIM card? With 1,000 or 500 naira, you can go to the shop near you or market near you or MTN or Glo or Airtel or Etisalat Center and buy your own SIM card. Some of you are making this very mistake. I don't know why. And it's something I've kept saying and saying and saying and saying and saying. I said you should have your what? Your own personal phone number. If you have made these mistakes, I really don't know. If you have made this mistake, come and let me know. Remember, I've told you that my goal in this channel is to help you to get at least 300 in your JAMB. In this coming JAMB, those of you following this channel, Noble Tutorials, those of you that have been following me all this while and you are writing JAMB, you are going to make at least 300 in your JAMB. You come back here to this channel and give me the testimony. If you want it and you claim it, type into the comment section and say, I claim it. If you claim that you will make at least 300 grade score in your JAMB, claim it. Last year, many people failed. But all of you that are following this channel, you will not fail. You will get at least 300. But please, if I tell you to do something, do it. I've told you. If you have not registered your JAMB, go and buy a valid phone number. Get a SIM card. By the time you get a SIM card, you register it with your NIN. That time you buy the SIM card, there will be a registration. I mean, the SIM has to be registered, right? It is in that time that you will now give them your NIN so that they will link your NIN to your SIM card. So if you have not done your NIN, by now you must have kept saying it. Yet some of you are not hearing. I've kept saying it. Go and get your NIN. Ensure you have a verified and registered NIN. It doesn't take much now. Go to NIN center, go to some cyber cafe, they do it. Get your NIN, register your NIN. It will take some time. When the number, that's 11 digits, the 11 digits is what you need. Then you go and buy a SIM card now. Is it difficult for you to do? If it's difficult, tell me. You go and buy a SIM card. In that registration of the SIM card, you will now add your NIN, link two of them together, and begin to use it to register. When you are now sure you have gotten your NIN, what do? You will now send your NIN number with that SIM card. Your NIN, it says type NIN, send it to 55, that code for getting your profile code. If you don't know it, let me know. I've done a video for that. I will attach it for you to watch so that you don't make these mistakes. Remember two things I've said. Number one, anybody telling you that you should not read, that he will help you with Abuja connection or Lagos connection to manipulate JAMB, it's not working, it's not possible. So you must make sure you read. Start now to read in our channel. Go through our channel. One of the books you should read is Lucky Headmaster. I've done a lot of things on Lucky Headmaster in our channel. We have read it out for you. Even if you don't have time to read the book, we have read it for you. It's just for you to spend 15-20 minutes watching the video. I can attach, if you want me to give you the videos of the book where we read it and explain it chapter by chapter, you will tell me, I will give it to you. In this channel, there is no reason why you should fail. Some of you have not even created your email address. Go and create email address, your own email address. So don't go and make a mistake and use your brother's own or your mother's own. This is something I've emphasized. I've said this one many times. I've said it several times, but many of you are not listening. Now I'm telling you to avoid late registration. Some of you don't want to hear. The registration will soon end. Registration starts from 31st of January. It was supposed to start on 15th, but it was shifted to 31st of January. So you see, you have some time. If you have not started preparing, go and prepare. You don't need to wait for the registration to start before you get your profile code, before you get a SIM card, before you open an email, before you go for your NIN. Do these things now and keep now, so that once registration starts, you quickly go and register. This thing is supposed to be easy. And I've told you, why are you waiting? If you need me to give you syllables, come to me, I will give it to you free. If you need me to give you past questions, come to me, I will give it to you free. If you want me to send you Lucky Headmaster, the novel, what are you waiting for? Just tell me that you want the novel. I will give it to you, although that one is not free. So the next mistake you should avoid is, I've told you, don't make the mistake of writing the wrong subject. You want to write medicine, but you are not preparing for biology and chemistry. You are focusing on mathematics. Know the course you want to study and ensure that the subjects, find out the right 4 subjects you are going to write for that very course. If you are going to study surveying, it's a different course from somebody that wants to study mass communication or somebody that wants to study international relations. So know what you want, and if you don't know the subjects, find out. You can ask questions, you can ask me, you can ask some other people, you can ask Google. This is simple. Another thing you should find out the institution, the university or the college of education or the polytechnic, whether the one you are putting for your first and second choice, whether they are offering that particular course you want to go for, whether they are accredited to do that course, so that you will not begin to have issues. This is a warning. This is a warning I'm giving to all the followers of this channel. Start now to prepare. Get your SIM card. Go for your NIN. Register an email. Start reading. Get the novels. Make this simple research. Don't make some mistakes. If you need past question, let me know. These are the things you will do for me to send you the past question. Number 1, you have watched this video to this point, so subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Once you like this video, subscribe to this video, you can send us a thanks. So you see a link, you see an option to send thanks. Send us a thanks. Then once you have done these things, come under the comment section and type, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. And if you claim to score over 300, also claim it and type it. Once I see you claim it and you have typed I have subscribed, I will come and chat you up and give you what you need. You need syllables, I will give you. You need past questions on the 4th subject, I will give you. And I will give you people these things free of charge. Please do these things. You watching this video, you must score 300 and above in your JAMB. But please remember these mistakes I mentioned and please run away from them. Don't make them. I'll be waiting to hear from you.